Hi friends, welcome to Indian IQ Study Point. In this video, we are discussing about biology subject. In that, microbes in human welfare chapter in the form of question and answers for NEET, CBSE, AIMS and all states medical entrance exam. Coming to the first question, yeast is used in the production of option A citric acid and lactic acid, B lipase and pectinase, C bread and beer, D cheese and butter. And the correct answer is option C bread and beer. Coming to the next question, match the following. Match the list 1 with list 2. In list 1, we have given microorganisms, that is Aspergillus niger, Acetobacter aceti, Clostridium botulicum, Lactobacillus. In list 2, we have given acids, acetic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, butyric acid. And the correct answer is option A. That means Aspergillus niger produces citric acid, Acetobacter aceti produces acetic acid, Clostridium botulicum produces butyric acid, Lactobacillus produces lactic acid. Coming to the next question, immunosuppressive agent cyclosporin A produced from which organism? Monoscus purpures, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Penicillium notatum, Trichoderma polysporum. And the correct answer is option D, Trichoderma polysporum. Coming to the next question, Monoscus purpures is a yeast used commercially in the production of option A, ethanol, B, streptokinase for removing clots from blood vessels, C, citric acid, D, blood cholesterol lowering statins. And the correct answer is option D, blood cholesterol lowering statins. Coming to the next question, a patient brought to a hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given option A, penicillin, B, streptokinase, C, cyclosporin, D, statins. And the correct answer is option B, streptokinase. Coming to the next question, which of the following microorganism is used for production of citric acid in industries? Option A, Penicillium citrinum, B, Aspergillus niger, C, Rhizopus nigricans, D, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. And the correct answer is Aspergillus niger. Coming to the next question, which one of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in the treatment of plant disease? Option A, cholera, B, anabaena, C, lactobacillus, D, trichoderma. And the correct answer is D, trichoderma. Coming to the next question, which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solids? Option A, tertiary treatment, B, secondary treatment, C, primary treatment, D, sludge treatment. And the correct answer is C, primary treatment. Coming to the next question, match the following. Match the list 1 with list 2. In list 1, we are giving microorganisms, Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Aspergillus niger, Acetobacter aceti. In list 2, we are giving some terms, acetic acid, curd, citric acid, bread. And the correct answer is option A. That means curd is formed due to lactobacillus. Bread is baked due to fermentation of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Citric acid is formed due to Aspergillus niger. Acetic acid is formed due to Acetobacter aceti. Coming to the next question, The most likely reason for the development of resistance against pesticides in insects. Option A, random mutations. B, genetic recombination. C, directed mutations. D, acquired heritable changes. And the correct answer is option A, random mutations. Coming to the next question, what is Agent Orange? Option A biodegradable insecticide. B, a weedicide containing dioxin. C, color used in fluorescent lamp. D, a hazardous chemical used in luminous paints. And the correct answer is option B, a weedicide containing dioxin. Agent Orange is a dangerous and very toxic which leads to cancer, diabetes and other disabilities. That's why the Agent Orange production was ended in 1970. Coming to the next question, among the following pairs of microbes, which pair has both the microbes that can be used as biofertilizers? Option A, Aspergillus and Rhizopus. B, Rhizobium and Rhizopus. C, Cyanobacteria and Rhizobium. D, Aspergillus and Cyanobacteria. And the correct answer is option C, Cyanobacteria and Rhizobium. Coming to the next question, which of the following is not a biofertilizer? Option A, Rhizobium. B, Nostoc. C, Mycorrhiza. D, Agrobacterium. And the correct answer is option D, Agrobacterium. Coming to the next question, which is the free living anaerobic nitrogen fixer? Option A, Bijerinkia. B, Rhodospirillum. C, Rhizobium. D, Azotobacter. And the correct answer is option B, Rhodospirillum. Coming to the next question, which one of the following is not used in organic farming? Option A, Oscillatoria. B, snail. C, glomus. D, earthworm. And the correct answer is option B, snail. Coming to the next question, in the following, which is the correct group of biocontrol agents? Option A, Trichoderma, Baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. B, Oscillatoria, Rhizobium, Trichoderma. C, Nostoc, Azospirillum, Nucleopolyhedrovirus. D, Bacillus thuringiensis, Tobacco mosaic virus, aphids. Correct option is option A, Trichoderma, Baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. Coming to the next question, in the following, which is not used as a biopesticide? Option A, Bacillus thuringiensis. Trichoderma hagorneum. C, nuclear polyhedrosis virus. D, Xanthomonas campestris. And the correct answer is option D, Xanthomonas campestris. Coming to the next question, biochemical oxygen demand may not be a good index for pollution in water bodies receiving effluents from option A, domestic sewage. B, dairy industry. C, petroleum industry. D, sugar industry. And the correct answer is option C, petroleum industry. Coming to the next question, which gases are produced in anaerobic sludge digesters? Option A, methane and carbon dioxide only. B, methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. C, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. Coming to the next question, which organism used as a biofertilizer for raising soybean crop? Option A, Azospirillum. B, Rhizobium. C, Nostoc. D, Azotobacter. And the correct answer is option B, Rhizobium. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends. Subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon to get quick notifications. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video.